In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then tap on All Services. Select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, tap on one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current screen lock. Then click on this eye next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!